Take a bowl and put 2/3 cup of powdered sugar and 2/3 cup of melted butter. Pour them and mix. Whisk properly. Add 2 tablespoons baking powder. Sieve and add 2 cup wheat flour. Mix. Now take 8 tablespoon milk. Knead the dough. After kneading the dough, refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out from the refrigerator. Take a tray to be put in oven and grease it. Now make balls and give it the shape of cookies. Now make designs with fork. Prepare more. Preheat the oven on 180 degree for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare more. Put the trays in the oven after 5 minutes and bake them for 10 minutes on 180 degree. Bake for 10 minutes. You can prepare more of different shapes.